Good morning. My name is Nadine Moret, and it is August the 23rd, 2018. I will be conducting a chart analysis on the USD CAD pair. This is taking place during the London session. I have already indulged in my pre-trading routine, conducting of reading my daily devotion and reviewing my trading plan and checking the news. At this time, I'm going to proceed and do a multi-time frame analysis, starting with my daily chart, placing my support and resistance lines. The color code for those lines are going to be blue. And placing your lines, you want to at least make sure that you have 3 points of contact and you start off as close to your 1, 2, 3 price action as possible. Since we do have the opportunity of placing another support and resistance line, we shall. Moving on to my hourly chart. Wow, as you can see, that hourly is full of consolidation. Color code for that is going to be orange. Okay, getting as close to price action as possible. 1, 2, 3 or more is better than standing out. Oh, 1, 2, great. Great, awesome. Okay. Can we? 1, 2, 1, 2. No. Let's go back up here. 1, 2. Okay, I'm going to lock this in. I'm going to go ahead and zoom out and see. There we have 1, 2, 3, and more. Okay, zooming back in. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you also want to make sure that your lines are at least 5 pips apart. Can we add another? Let's see. You take advantage. Okay, perfect. Moving on to my 15 minutes. Okay, we do have a line of resistance up there. As you can see, Mr. Price Action wants to jump off the chart. Color code for my 15 minutes is going to be pink. It looks like we're spanned out. Can we? But there's no need to. No. No need to. Okay. Can we place one here? Let's see. Zooming in. 1, 2. 1, 2. Oh. Let me zoom out. Let's do this one. Let's see. I think this is going to be a better one. 1, 2. 3, 4, better. Okay, awesome. Okay. At this time, like I mentioned before, there's no news at this time. My current price action, which is jumping all over the place, is 1.30450. Okay. The highest point on this chart has price action point has been 1.30481. The lowest point on this chart has been, where are you? Here, 1.29924. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that. Also, I like employing the assistance of my Fibonacci lines for accuracy. Okay, as you can see, the current market sentiment at this time is bullish. The current trend at this time is consolidation. And the major trend at this time is consolidation. Reading my chart from left to right, we started off in a small consolidative state. The bulls went ahead and sent the market in an uptrend, confirmed by a series of higher highs and higher lows. Along the way, we did have a bearish pullback, which the bulls went ahead and continued. We have an appearance of a doji, which indicates neutrality in the market at this time, but the bulls maintain their position. Okay, then we have the presentation of a bearish candlestick, which then in turn sent the market into a state of consolidation. As you can see, We have a lot of small candlesticks with a lot of wicks, tweezer tops, tweezer bottoms, spinning tops. So once again, this all signifies that the bears and the bulls are still fighting. We even have the presentation of dojis, which once again confirmed that although they're fighting, there's still a lot of neutrality in the market. At this time, the bears go ahead and attempt to break out the spirit of consolidation and try to send the market in a downward motion, which they weren't successful. The bulls now go ahead and break that momentum and regain their position, and now it's sending the market into an upward pattern. And as you can see, we had a small bearish pullback, but they are still continuing upward. Okay? Would I enter, prior to entering into a trade, I always make sure to check my spread. And yes, I am within range. Would I go ahead and enter a trade at this time? Yes, I would. Evidence to my trading plan, I have three candlesticks that are present, which trending into an upward motion, which signifies a continuation of trend. Once this candlestick were to break through, I would go ahead and enter my sell, which it is doing right now, placing, and make sure I have a fib level of resistance, and I do have another resistance line up above, placing my TP. At this time, I would go ahead and enter a trade. Okay, placing my TP 10 points above my entry level, and placing my stop loss 10 points below my entry level. This would be for my long position, which would be a buy. Okay, if this candlestick were to go ahead and close out bearish, which would be the first indicating candlestick, I would have to allow that candlestick to go ahead and close. Upon the appearance of my second candlestick would either have to break and close below this level of support or this fib level of support. At that time, upon the appearance of the third candlestick and it still remained bearish, I would then go ahead and enter my short position, which is a sell, placing my TP 10 pips below my entry level and my stop loss 10 pips above my entry level. Okay, so at this time, I shall return. I am going to go ahead and label my chart, and I will see you soon. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have returned. My name, chart execution, session, pair, major trend, current trend, and my price action. Thank you so much for your time.